If you have a problem with feminism, Islam will fix it. If you have a problem with your wife not obeying you, Islam will fix it. Islam fixes a lot of the problems that men are currently facing. The problems we're discussing on this show, Islam fixes all of them. Right? That's the first thing about Islam. And I'm not a Muslim, right? If I had to choose a religion, I would, because I live in an Orthodox Christian country, I go to the Orthodox Christian church. I donate $20,000 a month to the church in the country I live in. The church in Romania is very powerful, and I like having church friends. So I give them a lot of money, right? So I would guess I'm an Orthodox Christian. But if I had to bet on one religion as if I were betting on the stock market for the future, you have to bet on Islam. Because Muslims are intolerant. And I'm not saying that disrespectfully. Because if you're tolerant of everything, then you stand for nothing.
Facts.
Christians are so tolerant now that you can go to church. These girls will get fucked on a Saturday night and go to church on a Sunday morning and get fucked on Sunday night, and it's no big deal, right? So you don't believe it. They have gay pastors that I'm not even anti-gay, but if the book says don't have, like, what the fuck? What do you believe in now? If you're tolerant of everything, you stand for nothing. I can walk through London with a t-shirt saying Jesus is gay and nothing will happen to me. If I did the same thing with the Islamic prophet, I'd be dead before I got to the end of the street.
Boom.
That's how much they believe and respect. And I respect people who stick up for what they believe in. It's not even about me believing in it. I respect them because they believe and they will defend. Muslims are the only people who will defend their religion. They will defend their beliefs. They refuse to be mocked. They refuse to be insulted. And I respect that about them. I respect that. That's an amazing thing about that.
अलिफ लाम रा, ये अल्लाह की किताब और कुरान रोशन की आयतें हैं। किसी वक्त काफिर लोग आरजू करेंगे कि ऐ काश वो मुसलमान होते। ऐ नबी, उनको उनके हाल पर रहने दो कि खा पी लें और फायदे उठा लें, और लंबी लंबी आरजुएं उनको दुनिया में मशगूल किए रखें। आखिरकार उनको इसका अंजाम मालूम हो जाएगा।
दीन की बात फैलाना सदक़े जारिया है। सवाब की नीयत से वीडियो को शेयर जरूर कीजिए। जज़ाकल्लाह।
Please subscribe my channel Lifeismortalkpk. Thank you.